All right, guess what? It was on the 21st of June 2025 when I signed up for True Organics, which practically makes it 9 months later. 9 months later, I am going to Thailand. We'll be connecting in Singapore. There will be a Singapore tour. I am talking about a business that I only started with 600 Rand. Yeah. This business, 9 months later, I've built a team of over 1,600 people that are active. Let me tell you, this business has paid me 113,000 this month. It was last week, yes. So in Jan I got paid 117,000 rand. In February I got paid 80,000 rand. This month I got paid 113,550 cent. So basically, in the past 3 months, the company has paid me over 300,000 rent. Yes, I'm talking about a business I started with 600 rent. So